Vice President Sara Duterte says she has no particular reaction to the changes in House leadership. In a chance interview on Thursday, September 18, Duterte was asked about late Representative Martin Romualdez's resignation as Speaker of the House of Representatives. Duterte says she only has a reaction to what President Bongbong Marcos is doing. She accuses the president of letting House members resign and leave the country to supposedly evade accountability.
Wala ako reaction sa resignation niya, no? Meron lang akong reaction sa kung ano yung ginagawa ni BBM. Hindi niya dapat hinahayaan yung mga congressman na basta na lang umalis ng bansa o basta na lang mag-resign to evade accountability doon sa mga nakita natin na pag-chop-chop ng budget natin at pagkuha ng pera ng bayan para bumili sila ng mga properties, bumili sila ng mga jets, bumili sila ng properties abroad.
Duterte then refuses to give any messages to the new House Speaker, Bogie Ide, who hails from Isabela. She points out that Isabela Governor Rodolfo Rodito Albano III is a close friend of Romualdez. The Vice President says she believes the changing of House leadership is only for show.
So yung pagpapalit nila ng Speaker dyan ay para lang yan masabi ng mga tao na meron silang ginawa sa House of Representatives, sa reklamo at sa galit ng mga tao. Pero ang totoo niyan ay sila lang din yan. Grupo lang din yan ni Martin Romualdez, ni Sandro Marcos, and of course, syempre, papunta na rin yan kay BBM.
Romualdez stepped down from his post as Speaker on Wednesday, September 17. His resignation came amid allegations linking him and other lawmakers to questionable public works projects, particularly in flood control. Romualdez has denied the allegation that he received bribes. D was elected Speaker after 253 lawmakers voted for him. He is affiliated with Marcos's Partido Federal ng Pilipinas. A source told the Inquirer that D's affiliation was a key factor in his selection as Romualdez's successor.